Hello everyone, my name is Ayley and welcome to another episode of Right to Dream Robotics. In this episode, we are still continuing with the Robot Inventor series, and in today's episode, we are going to be looking at the motors and the hub. The Robot Inventor has 4 motors, and the hub has 2 ways of connecting to your computer or to your mobile device. That's through the Bluetooth and the USB. It also has 6 ports, and these ports can take the sensors, that's the light sensor and the ultrasonic sensor, and all 4 motors. Out of the box, the motors do not come calibrated. So once you take everything out, your motors out, you need to update it. And to do that, you need to install the Robot Inventor app. You can find the app on the App Store or the Microsoft Store, and we'll leave a link below in the description. And voila, we can get started. The first thing we'll do is to connect our hub to the computer using the Bluetooth. We turn on the hub. So we can search for it on the computer. We connect it. It's connected. When your Bluetooth light starts flashing from white to blue, then you know that it's connected. The interface on the Robot Inventor app is quite different from what we have on the EV3. There are tabs for home, for community, where you can connect with other builders, and then a tab for projects, where you can look for your projects that you are working on. The most important one that we work with is the code. So this is the interface. Here we have the hub connection. First, we connected the Bluetooth to the computer. Now we are going to connect it to the Robot Inventor app on the computer. Just because you've connected the hub to the computer doesn't mean that it's connected to the program. So once you turn on the Bluetooth again on the hub, it appears here on your Robot Inventor app, and you can go ahead and click connect. To begin, we need to update the hub, and to do that, we need a USB connector. So once it's connected, we can go ahead and start the update. To update the OS, you need to plug in the hub to a power source. Now, for the purpose of this demonstration, I'm using my computer for that. Keep the app open until the update is completed, and the hub will restart when it's done. It took a while, but we have the hub OS updated. Next, we need to update the motors. First, we'll need to connect the motors to the hub. As you are connecting, take note of the ports you are connecting to. So with this, we are connecting to ports A, B, C, and D. It's always important to update the motors before you start building, because if you build and you are asked to now update your motors, you have to take apart your build, and that just wastes time. So now that we've connected all the motors to the hub, we can go ahead and click next. We are prompted to build a lock, and we have these parts here. We have 2 connectors, we have 2 blue pins, and then we have 1 Trilon axle. So we can go ahead and click build. So first of all, you take 1 connector and then you put 2 of the blue pins through here. Then you connect your second connector at the top here. The next thing you do is to take your Trilon axle and then push it through. So this is the lock. You're done, so you can click on done to the next stage. It indicates the motor you have to connect to. So on the hub, it shows here we should connect to motor A. So this here is motor A. Before you attach the lock, you have to make sure that this O here is aligned with this line at the tip here. Okay, so we take our lock and then we push it through here. And then we can go ahead and click next. You have to keep the motor connected until the update is complete. Next, we are instructed to take the lock out. So now the lock is out. Now watch, you will see it moving. And we are done with motor A. So we are going to follow the same instructions for all the other motors until they are all updated. In our next episode, we'll go more in depth about the motors specifically. Let us know if you have any questions in the comment section below, and subscribe to the channel so you can be updated when our next video goes live. Thanks for watching.